and that we love our Sarah Leone. Mama Salon! Let me eat, but let me eat. Today I eat one pot. Mama make one pot today. Yeah? Let me eat. Can't join me, but can't join me. Me people them today that we independent, so how the body una kushe una kabo. I'm glad you una can for watch me video so but I'm glad you. Hey bra, today na the independence. Yes, I said I can't jump na this YouTube thing. Like I can't sit down. I record one video where they eat boku food, but I know before eat boku food right now because I just eat. But now I can't talk to na my language. Now I can't talk to na my native language so. Yes, you see I don't put on my clothes back again. When I like me clothes, you see where they don't work the clothes eh? Hey, if I there. Thank you. If you don't know Sabi Boss Salon, April 27, 1961 na the year where Salon get independence. Yes, now I don't put my flag na the back. I don't wear my clothes with pride. See now my people don't do. No can't just stop me. I don't tell them that side it's the cost. If you want, no watch me. If you want to watch me, like your business, like your fucking business, I'm not business yourself. Hey, look me, Bella. Well, I be guy. Today I wake in the morning, my mama is inside kitchen. Lay by fireside. You don't cook this one pot. From yesterday, I see where you been prep something. I don't understand self. I just been say in the kitchen, just been cook. But then imagine, all that boku cook where you been cook here. It took all the cook it goes on side. For go celebrate independence out of your house. Scan style down the bar. Avec small. Pardon. I got me small cook. Now the corner now. Where the sip. So a lot of people them I know say they get boku events today. We get SL Boys, we get that kind of events under. We get DJ Sokinda, they do your events, River of Life. We get the DJ Union self, then they do the events in Hollywood. Me I don't know who sound they go, but me I know they go not sign this year. Now no like tell you now. My brother, if they go perform now our events, and they go support him. Now DJ Sokinda events here. After that, me I know they go not sign. They go one club. I they go one club for go turn up. When I tell me in the comments who say they go, who say they go today? Because London as I say we get two events, two big events maybe they do. But if you not get sense, Una where they do events for with Salon people for independence. If you not smart, una all they join force for this one day. Una they all put on money inside. Una they all put on money inside one bucket. You make big masterpiece events. Then we all go enjoy yeah. Salon this day now for unity. Independence now for unity now for we all. Not for scatterback say, oh we now we want for make party, now we want for make party, now we want for make party. Because how much people that you feel so go na a party so. Let me not be fool, let me be smart, bro. Oi. This one put it fine. Lie. Me na really Salon about you. So now I start the video with my anthem first. Because anything for do with my country, once na for my country, I go for start with my anthem. Because na so bing, na so for starting fine. If you sabi Salon who say you come out Western, Eastern, when I tell me but me na normally but me I tap na normally, I get host na normally. I've been starting my life na Kissy Road. I've been there Kissy Road, me auntie been get host na Kissy Road. Then we all move come on yonder, we go Lumley. We don't get two hosts na Lumley, right side by side so each other. If you see me host them big so Lumley. I feel like I no go Salon yesterday, you know, I dey go Salon this year by force, by fire. When I see that vlog the way I dey go Salon, I must go Salon this year. By the way, if they look me at the fit to say waiting that happen done, waiting that happen with here today. Let I tell you now one thing. I plait the front and not plait the back. I don't bell full, but look the bowl. I still get food at the bowl. I must done the food. Big guy no go catch me today. If I tell my mama say I not done this food, they boxing at my belly. I beg when I picking the way they watch this side. Tell me that mama they left for cause na WhatsApp because we they still all team. All man. All kind of angle we they receive them. Since I don't receive my any. This stuff for posh lifestyle where people in the make self, you not find back. When I back where sit down here, when I feel to say, me just they talk broken English, when they understand what they say. Now I have business when I want to go take on a dirty some parts there, when I go wash on myself. If you don't understand me, you lucky. Because me na Creole fuller. Then get the Timini, they get the Limba, They get the Mendy. When on the foot dirty so, when I not come on a backside for me God make money. When I sit down now, now they watch my video. When I not move from come out now my video go was. When I backside go prop so. Before I go on one important message. You wait just the pass like fly, busy body. Just go up and down. They can't they watch my video, you know they go. When I not click subscribe. If you not click that button, they way down so we look like this one here. And they beat you now. If you na salon mortal man here, you dey go salon this year, 2019 December, you dey go salon. Like this video. If you dey go salon 2019, like this video, comment so I can see your name, so I can sabi who that they go salon this year. Because I want go meet people in a salon, you know. I want go meet people them. If you na salon person, I beg, in fact, comment below self already. Put hashtag salon independence, so I can see your face there, so I know say you na salon mortal man. So I can say big up you, yeah. If I want to, I can open and smell mouth. Tell me say this video is messy and not be in this self. I don't know if it's the food, but I will full. Anyway, let me not done so.